Hi, my first one of my 5 technologies is going to be my Class Dojo that I use with my students. I use Class Dojo mainly for parent involvement. I like to send them personal messages if they need to get a hold of me. It's kind of like an instant messenger, and I really enjoy being able to contact parents easily. I also use it for the class story if we're starting a new study, or study guides for tests are coming up, pictures of things that we do in the classroom, just all sorts of really fun things that I like to have parents involved with and to see what they do. One thing I have yet to utilize is the portfolio portion. I would like to start adding student involvement as well, because I think that would also help them become more involved with their education as well. That way they are posting stuff about what they're learning so their parents can see, rather than sending home papers home. I mean, it's always good to send papers home, but that way it's got a digital copy that you can always go back and look and say, hey, this is what this is. Like I said, my purpose for using the Class Dojo is really to get more parent involvement, so parents can see and whatnot. Since introducing this to the district about 4 years ago, I've always had parents say, I really liked that. I wish the older grades did it, because I miss being able to see what my kids are doing throughout the day, when you posted pictures. Parents have always told me they like that. I like some of the tools that they have. If I wanted to do attendance through, I could do attendance through, but I don't, since we use Power School, we do that. Teacher toolkit here, there's timers, a randomness. I can pick a random student for whatever reason I wanted to do. Make groups, noise levels, directions. If I do this actually a lot on my whiteboard, I'll write out directions for my 6th grade students. I only have a Class Dojo for my 5th grade. But my 6th grade students, I'll write directions down on the board, and they come in, read the board, and get started. There's think, prepare, share stuff. What are you grateful today? Just really cool things that you can be involved with. Like today, it's actually cold and rainy where I'm at. Music. It's just lots of fun little things that you can include. And I really enjoy using this. You can use it on Safari, Google Chrome. I like to use Firefox. Our network at the school doesn't like Firefox, so I go in between both. But I will put my ISTE standards in the description below. To sign up, it's super easy. Since I can change my stuff there, passwords, there's all sorts of really cool things that you can do that I don't utilize to the best of my abilities here. The Class Dojo is an amazing tool that I simply don't utilize to its fullest that I really should. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one.